Whole fresh cabbage arrives for controlled intake. Pallets are staged under FIFO rules to preserve freshness. Each lot is labeled to ensure full traceability. Operators visually inspect cabbage for decay and damage.
Basic chemistry confirms suitability for processing. Incoming temperature is verified against specifications.
Lots meeting criteria are released to processing.
Cabbage is tipped carefully to prevent damage.
Product is evenly distributed for washing. Loose debris is removed before washing. Water flumes begin surface cleaning. Air agitation improves removal of surface contaminants. Clean water sprays rinse away loosened soil. Sanitizer contact time is carefully controlled. A final rinse removes sanitizer residues. Excess surface water is removed before inspection. Product transfers into controlled processing areas. Spacing allows effective inspection before sorting. Defective units are automatically rejected. Rejected material is verified and segregated. Organic waste is isolated for disposal. Accepted cabbage proceeds to preparation. Hard cores are removed for texture control. Cores are segregated for fiber recovery. Size reduction prepares cabbage for grinding. Grinding releases cellular structure. Pulp is separated from coarse fiber. Separated fiber is conveyed to dewatering. Fine screens ensure uniform puree texture. Final sieving removes remaining coarse particles. Trained air is removed to protect quality.
Buffer tanks stabilize continuous flow.
Dewatered fiber enters controlled drying.
Moisture is reduced to safe storage levels.
Dried fiber exits for milling.
Dried fiber is milled to powder.
Sifting ensures uniform fiber particle size.
Soluble solids are verified before heat treatment.
Only blending is used to meet specification.
Product temperature rises under control.
Time and temperature ensure microbial safety.
Only compliant product proceeds.
Product is cooled to protect quality.
Samples are taken for microbiological confirmation. Sterile holding buffers the filling line. Cleaning in place maintains hygienic conditions. Sterile piping conveys product to filling.
Packaging is prepared under aseptic conditions.
Puree is filled without recontamination. Packages are hermetically sealed.
Each unit is coded for full traceability.
Package weight is automatically verified.
Vision systems confirm seal integrity. Final scans detect any foreign material. Non-compliant packs are removed.
Approved product proceeds to palletizing.
Units are aligned for automated palletizing.
Automated stacking ensures stable pallets.
Pallets are secured for transport. Product awaits dispatch under controlled conditions.
Pallets are staged for outbound logistics.
Shipments are verified before loading.
Cleaning cycles are verified before restart.
The line is ready for the next production run. Production and quality records are archived for compliance.
Storage conditions are continuously monitored.
Inventory systems track product location. Containers are sealed for transport.
The shipment leaves the facility. The production batch is formally closed. Quality release authorizes commercial shipment.
Equipment is inspected after production.
Systems are secured after operation.
The production run is complete.
Equipment is locked out to ensure safety.
Cleaning begins on product contact tanks.
Heat systems are cleaned in place.
Rinse water quality is verified.
Cleaning effluent is sent to treatment. Wastewater flow is equalized before treatment. Concentrated solids are removed from flotation. Oxygen supports biological treatment.
Treated water meets discharge standards.
Environmental samples confirm compliance.
Fiber byproducts are stored separately under dry conditions. Fiber byproducts are prepared for shipment.
Hygiene procedures are enforced post-operation.
Wear parts are inspected after runs. Spare parts are stored hygienically.
Aseptic equipment cleanliness is verified. Sterile lines are sealed until next use. Finished goods are ready for distribution.
Documentation accompanies every shipment.
Seals secure the load during transport.
The shipment departs the facility.
The dock is reset after loading. All operations for this run are complete.
This concludes the cabbage puree production process.